Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just found a cool way to make $2 instantly and every day, in fact every hour or even every minute. Yeah, every minute from your just from crypto. Yeah, not this is not a scam or Ponzi scheme, and this is not a investment stuff. You don't have to invest to make this right now. So this is very it is free. So a new wallet just launched. So you know what you call airdrop, and it's just like an airdrop. So but this is not an airdrop. So you have to click the link in the description below. You take it to your browser, and then yeah, when you click the link in the description below, you're gonna take it to your browser, and then you just click put in your email like I'm gonna show you right now. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna paste this here. And oh shit. So guys, this is what you just have to do. Just paste it in your wallet. Yeah, yeah, this is it. So you just have to enter your email there, like you see, enter email. You just have to put in your email right here, and you enter join the wait list. You guys have to do this ASAP. I just opened it right now, and I got $2 from it, and yeah, it's working for free. Yeah, and you don't have to spend any money on it. This is just it. So you guys have to check this out though. Yeah, as you can see here, I just earned $2 for just signing up, and you guys can also do it. You guys will also know when you sign up, you're going to earn $2 ASAP from my referral link. If you sign up with my referral link, you are gonna earn $2, and you're gonna stay until they start launching crypto on the apps, and then you'll be able to use it to buy crypto of your choice. You see, this is just free $2, and if you have a lot of friends, families that know are into crypto, you can just send it to them. Imagine sending it to 100 people a day. That's imaginable, because if you have a ton of followers who are into crypto on Facebook or YouTube, on Instagram, on your social media platforms, and are going to sign up to this, then you should be gaining a lot of money from there. And you can also promote it by doing a YouTube video like this one, and then sharing it to your friends, guys. Okay, this is just better. I want to share with you guys today, and yeah, peace out.